So today we'll quickly go through the different tests for gases. The first one that we'll start with is the test for hydrogen. This is also known as the squeaky pop test. So all you need to do is you need to get a burning splint, so a splint that has a flame. So use a burning splint. You then place it at the opened end of a test tube with the gas. So place it at the open end of the test tube of gas. Now, if that gas is hydrogen, that means you'll hear a squeaky pop. Hence, it's in the name, squeaky pop test. So you'll hear a squeaky pop. So it should say, you will hear a squeaky pop. That's how you know it's hydrogen gas. Now we'll do the test for oxygen. Now in this one, you need a splint again, but not a burning splint. You need a glowing splint. So use a glowing splint. And then again, place it, you could say, into the test tube of gas. So place it in the test tube of gas. Now, if it's oxygen, that splint, the flame should relight. So the flame should come back. So let's write splint will relight. So the flame will come back if there's oxygen. So that's the difference between the test for oxygen and the test for hydrogen. So remember, test for hydrogen, squeaky pop test. Test for oxygen, the splint should relight. Now we move on to carbon dioxide, which is a little bit different. So if you're testing for carbon dioxide, you will need to bubble the gas through lime water. So bubble the gas through lime water. Now, if it is carbon dioxide, the lime water should turn cloudy, or you could say milky. Turns cloudy or milky. Now lastly, we'll do the test for chlorine gas. In this one, you need to use something called damp litmus paper. So let's write that down. Use damp litmus paper. So what you would want to do is place the damp litmus paper. So place damp litmus paper into the gas. Now, if it is chlorine gas, that means the paper should turn white. It should get bleached and turn white. Paper gets bleached and turns white. Thank you for watching.